the solar system. The Sun, and the celestial bodies, which revolve around it, form the solar system. The gravitational attraction between the Sun and these objects keeps them revolving around the Sun. There are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Planets look like stars, but they do not have light of their own. The simplest method of identifying planets from stars is that stars twinkle, whereas planets do not. A planet has a definite path in which it revolves around the Sun. This path is called an orbit. Besides revolving around the Sun, a planet also rotates on its own axis, like a top. Let us study the planets one by one. Mercury, or Budh. Mercury is the smallest planet of our solar system. It is very close to the Sun, therefore, it is visible just before sunset, or just after sunrise. It has no satellite of its own. Venus, or Shukra. Sometimes, it appears in the eastern sky before sunrise, and sometimes in the western sky after sunset. It rotates from east to west, and has no satellite of its own. Venus shows phases, just like the Moon. The Earth, or Prithvi. It appears blue-green from space, due to the reflection of light from water and land mass on its surface. Life exists on the Earth due to the right distance from the Sun. The tilt in the Earth's axis is responsible for the changes of seasons on the Earth. The Earth has only one moon. Mars, or Mangal. It appears slightly reddish, so it is called the red planet. It has 2 small moons. Jupiter, or Brihaspati. It is the largest planet of the solar system. About 1,300 Earths can be placed inside the planet Jupiter. It has a large number of satellites. Saturn, or Shani. It is a yellowish planet with rings around it. It has a large number of satellites. It is the least dense planet among all the planets. Its density is less than that of water. Uranus. It can be seen only with the help of large telescopes. Uranus rotates from east to west, which is opposite of Earth's rotation. It has a highly tilted rotational axis. As a result, in its orbital motion, it appears to roll on its side. Neptune. It is the 4th largest planet in the solar system. It is blue in color, and has many moons. Neptune can be seen only with the help of a telescope. The first 4 planets, namely, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are called the inner planets. The planets outside the orbit of Mars, namely, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are called the outer planets.